To succeed in the amusement sphere, a manager needs a set of high-quality gambling business components. These include a range of games from prominent manufacturers, administration software, a user-friendly multilingual interface, convenient financial systems, effective advertising solutions, etc. The Casino API module brings together all these options from leading wagering representatives. You can install several branded catalogs through a single incorporation. The Casino Market team will do their best to supply you with the most efficient services. Basic information about the solution. The API abbreviation stands for Application Programming Interface. Modern operators cannot ignore the importance of Casino API integrations for their businesses. This is a single system of interfaces that includes the necessary elements for data transfer and interaction between different software tools. With its help, you can install diverse products on the gambling site. For example, a game selection, payment instruments, a set of commands for calculating free rounds, system of accumulative jackpots, various marketing tools, CMS developments, and many others. The Casino API implementation helps web gaming brands grow faster and build a positive reputation. After all, the goal of every company is to keep a competitive advantage over others in the internet market. Benefits of the API solution. Launching an amusement website requires the installation of games from diverse companies, each of which has its specific protocols, mechanics, and technical requirements. Dealing with all the functions and issues of every branded product is difficult. Obtaining a ready-made casino games API from the aggregator is easier. It combines licenses and amusement titles from diverse producers in a single solution. Let us review the facilities the Casino Game API provides entrepreneurs with. Selection of amusement. With such a solution, you can incorporate wagering content from diverse manufacturers and categories. Freely install live Casino API and lots of other games. Saving money. Choosing a finished product allows for saving time and capital in producing new applications. The Online Casino API is a set of ready-made schemes and widgets that facilitate the work of launching the Internet project. Additionally, every operator can benefit from such an option since the Casino API cost is affordable. Quick access to markets. The process of obtaining a permit for entertainment on the Internet might take a long time. You may purchase a Casino Games API which already contains an international license. There is no need to make agreements with every gambling partner. The operator can buy as many games as he likes and promptly gain access to new markets. Multifunctional interface. The Slot Machine API includes lots of developments, namely, bonus and free spin settings, advanced player notification and reporting, a proven affiliate program, user account customization, etc. Constant updates. The system is frequently upgraded, and errors are corrected in the shortest possible time by the Casino API provider. Regular improvements help increase player loyalty. Also, the customer support team is always available in case of difficulties. Safety. The Online Casino Games API protects each player with anti-fraud measures. The work of the wagering operator and the manufacturer is safe with SSL encryption. The main things about modern casino APIs. If you plan to improve your gambling site or make a good start, consider applying to the aggregator of complete developments. You can trust Casino Market as the studio specialists know different ways of delivering exclusive amusement titles to diverse audiences. With our API Casino Games integration, you may boost player retention and your profits. Here are a few reasons for such a decision. We are a traditional and live casino API provider, proposing branded amusement offers from modern manufacturers. The Casino Market team provides decent administrative software and diverse additional modules. For example, a Bitcoin Casino API. Our specialists have developed advanced loyalty and client support systems, as well as assure reliable licensing assistance. Online and live casino API integrations from our aggregator help launch and run a lucrative wagering project with outstanding content. Contact our managers to make a quick order.